Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's English lesson. Recently, an earthquake hit Thailand. In this video, you'll learn new words, see them in action, learn some fun facts about earthquakes, and become an earthquake vocab expert in no time. Let's get started.
Whoa! Did the ground just shake? That's called an earthquake. When the ground shakes really fast and hard because the earth is moving deep down below us. And guess what? The place on the ground right above where the earthquake starts is called the epicenter. It's like the starting point of all that shaking. Some earthquakes are tiny and some are huge. The magnitude tells us how strong the earthquake is. Like measuring how loud a roar is, but for the earth. Scientists use a machine called a seismograph to draw all the wiggles of the earthquake. Sometimes, after the big shake, we get a little extra jiggle. That's called an aftershock, like a mini version of the main shake. Earthquakes send out seismic waves, invisible waves that spread through the ground and make everything move. Most earthquakes happen along a fault line. That's a crack in the Earth's crust where pieces are sliding around. A small shake like that is called a tremor. Not too scary, just a little nudge from the Earth. Sometimes an underwater earthquake can make a tsunami, a giant sea wave that crashes on the shore. That's why people near beaches need to be extra careful. Not everyone feels an earthquake the same way. The intensity is how strong it feels in different places. Even the same quake can feel big in one town and small in another. And here's something super weird. Sometimes the ground turns all squishy like jelly. That's called liquefaction. It happens when the soil is full of water and gets shaken like a smoothie.
Let's see how much you remember. Give this exercise a try. I know you can do it.
Let's practice. Here is the fill in the blank exercise. A sentence will appear on the screen. Select the words above to fill in the blanks. Pause the video to complete the sentence. Then, resume to check your answer. 1. The magnitude of the earthquake was 6.5 on the Richter scale. 2. The place where an earthquake begins is called the epicenter. 3. A seismograph is used to measure earthquake activity. 4. After a big earthquake, smaller ones called aftershocks can happen. 5. A large wave caused by an underwater earthquake is called a tsunami. 6. The Richter scale is the system used to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. 7. A small or mild earthquake is called a tremor. 8. A fault line is a crack in the Earth's surface where earthquakes often occur. 9. During an earthquake, the ground can behave like a liquid due to liquefaction. 10. The measure of how strongly an earthquake is felt in different locations is called intensity.
Nice job! Learning by doing is the best way to remember. Give yourself a high five. You're learning something important today. Earthquakes are powerful and amazing. Now that you know all the cool words, you're one step closer to being an earth science superhero. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment to share your thoughts or questions, and hit that subscribe button for more English lessons. Stay safe and see you next time.